Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and signal clarity. Power everything off and keep connectors clean. First, place the equalizer near the amp to minimize cable runs, then match left/right outputs to the amplifier inputs. Use balanced XLRs if available for noise rejection. Otherwise, use RCA, but expect more hum on long runs. Once done, firmly seat each connector and label both ends so you won't swap channels later. This step prevents ground loops and ensures you're wiring stereo correctly before powering up. Now you focus on routing and level control to preserve headroom. Route cables separately from power cables and avoid coils to limit interference. With connections secure, set the amplifier input gain to a low starting point and set the equalizer to flat or unity so you can hear the true source. Slowly bring the amplifier gain up while tapping the signal. This protects speakers and reveals any channel imbalance. If hum appears, try ground lift or a die to isolate the noise source and retest levels. You finish by powering devices and verifying sound. Power the equalizer first, then the amplifier, and confirm any speaker protection relays reset so you don't get pops. Make conservative EQ moves, boost or cut a few dB, and use a narrow Q to address specific frequencies rather than broad sweeps. Finally, test playback at low volume and increase gradually. If you get no sound, check mute switches, correct input selection on the amp, and swap cables to isolate a bad lead as the single quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.